Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So we have the Nightwing season challenge finally. As well as this, we have the Batman Ninja Harley Quinn, who will be invading our battles as well, which is really cool. So you got two beautiful challenges, one after the other. So I think Nightwing is a character that everybody is going to want alongside Blue Beetle. So let's just have a quick look at his passive if you haven't seen it already. I thought he'd have a better orb than that, but yes, in terms of his passive, so generates 0.1% power on damage while blocking. After using any special ability, basic and swipe attack temporarily have additional effects, only one effect active at one time. So Nightwing gains power when he blocks an attack. When he uses any special abilities, his basic and swipe attacks are temporarily enhanced with various effects. I can't wait to get this guy. He's going to be a really strong character. So he is available via the arena challenge event, as well as a dark duo chest. I wonder who else is going to be in that duo chest. Probably Arkham Origin or Arkham Knight or somebody else. Who knows, we can only see. Second person is, what's her name, Batman Ninja Harley Quinn. Again, she's decent. I'm not going to say she's great, I just don't like these animated characters really, personally. But if Harley is on your roster, all Batman Ninja heroes gain a 10% of Harley's base attack and health at battle start. So remember, that's just her base. Okay, so I'm not really fond of Harley too tough, but yeah, definitely going to make a start on this Nightwing challenge and get as far as I can, because he is definitely someone that I need in my roster. But guys, you know the drill. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm gonna make a start on these battles now. Put in my Justice League team first, as I always do. Where's my... oh, see, I've got to rank up these guys so much. They're so not where they need to be. Only one of my Justice League team is a 5-star, which is really bad. This battle will be very hard to do, so I'll do this one first. But yeah, guys, as per usual, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know if you are hyped to do this battle, because I sure am. Is Harley going to invade? Probably going to get a network error. It's been happening a lot recently, which is really annoying. Come on.